Lamuni partner, yung Bacolod City Police Office, ito po yung pinaka-the best na police station sa buong bansa.
We have the Philippine National Police Regional Training Center. RTC6 mission is to provide continuing education, training, and human resource development programs for the police non-commissioned officers of the Philippine National Police in Western Visayas and their ordinance of knowledge, attitudes, skills, habits, and values necessary in the exercise of their career as law enforcement officers. Again, RTC6. May bala ka bang maging police?
So, parang hindi na. Susulat na talaga. Mga sir, maraming salamat po.
Kita mo, ang dami gusto mo.
Dahil partner, dream ko talaga maging police ng high school pa.
Tuloy mo na. Okay, again, thank you RTC6. We're very honored na nakasama namin kayo ngayon sa ating 126th Independence Day. Our celebration dito po sa Bacolod.
Grabe, parang ay batulyo na ata ng RTC6 ko ah.
Kasi nandito yung training school kasi sa Bacolod.
Mga mga sir, sa ulit po, maraming salamat.
Now we welcome the Highway Patrol Group. Yan o, magigiti mo na mga natin sa daan, yung mga police natin. Their mission is to ensure safety of all motorists and road users. So, thank you very much, Squeegee Group. Now we have the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency.
The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, or PDEA. PDEA is the lead anti-drug law enforcement agency responsible for preventing, investigating, and combating any dangerous drugs, controlled prosecutors, or precursors, and essential chemicals in the country. PDEA commits to champion the reduction of the drug affectation in the country through the implementation of the Barangay Drug Clearing Program, integrating their illegal supply and demand reduction strategies.
Yes, and they are followed by the police force multiplier. Yung mga force multiplier po natin are actually they're being trained to assist sa ating kapulisan dito sa Bacolod City Police Office in times of calamity or disasters. So, minsan sa mga police operations, sila yung ginagawa mga NPL. So, actually, malaki po talaga ang risk na maging member ng force multiplier. Pero at the same time, very fulfilling. So, salamat po, PCPO Force Multiplier.
Ang ating force multipliers ang kabalikat ng ating kapulisan sa komunidad.
Yes, partner.
So, yung mga force multipliers, kung hindi ako sa plaza, palagi sila nakasupport at naka-device sa amin.
I think we have yung federation ng mga force multipliers natin sa BCPO. So, may ano din pala sila federation.
Yung federation din ng mga force multipliers.
Yan, ang mga structures group ng PCR.
PCR, the Public Community Relations of BCPO.
Yes, sila yung mga parang PR group ng PNP natin.
We have the PHMI.